made an exhaust video. It's got to be over a year old now, and few people had actually asked me about the current setup and what I'm running now, so I'll show it to you. I haven't even made an exhaust video. You can see there's some rust on it now, but it's a AFE truck muffler, and I got it pretty cheap. I got it off a guy who bought the full catback system, and they took the muffler out because it wasn't loud enough. So that's what I have. It's kind of hard to see. Then I have a mid pipe. It's a 3-inch from the cat back. My third cat is hollow, and then I just band clamped this, butt welded like some kind of fitting I made there. It's like a 45 that goes up. It's hard to get under here to video this. But yeah, then I made a 90, butt welded that with just a MIG welder and just MBRP exhaust tip. So I'll start up and let you hear what it sounds like. It's honestly very stealthy, not very loud until you get on it. Once you get on it, then it's kind of probably sounds like a stock Corvette. That's how loud I would say it is. Oh, as you can see, it's really not too loud. Maybe a little bit louder on the cold start, but give some revs. I don't know if it's going to blow the camera over. Blow the camera over, yeah, right. Make it sound like it's a 0-1. Yeah, I might get some clips of it running from like a roll, but it's pretty good with the intake. It's not extremely loud, just kind of nice. Old man approved. Old people have driven this truck and they like it, so it works.